We have the John Deere tractor here, d160, and we're almost due for an oil change, which I'm going to have to do probably at 399 hours. And then I just replaced the 3 blades for the deck belt, and then I like the electrical PTO, which is not an actual lever, where you have to actually pull up towards the engine, upward. I like the PTO better because it's not in the way of everything. You can actually just touch the steering wheel without touching the lever and hurting yourself on it. And then I just replaced the 2 tires last year, which I'm probably going to have to do it again this year. And then we got the backup switch, which is a safety thing, which I like because then I won't hurt myself on it. I'm not sure why people disconnect it. These features are supposed to be there for safety. Just like when you get up off the seat, there's a switch underneath the seat. So when you try to get up off the seat, the mower will shut off. Which that's good because that's a safety thing. And then the clutch has got a safety switch too, to start it, because you have to push the clutch down to start it. And then, as Terrell would say, there's your dinner.